In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a snow effect in Adobe Express. Whether you're looking to give your holiday designs a wintry touch or just want to add some magic with falling snow, this guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. First off, you'll want to open Adobe Express and either start a new project or open an existing one. This project could be anything from an image to a social media post or even a video project. Once you have your design ready, it's time to bring that festive snow effect into play. The next step is to find the perfect snow overlay graphic or video. For this, you'll want to choose either an image of snowflakes, ideally in a PNG format with a transparent background, or a video loop that showcases softly falling snow. These give the best visual effect, since they integrate seamlessly with your existing design. If you're unsure where to find these overlays, don't worry. There are numerous stock sites available online where you can download free snow overlay loops. It's often as simple as searching for snow overlay and sifting through the available options to find one that matches your design's aesthetic. Once you've secured your snow overlay, the next task is to upload it into your Adobe Express project. If you've downloaded an image file, just drag and drop it onto your project canvas. For video overlays, you'll want to follow a similar process. Ensure you place it on a separate layer above your existing design so the snow effect remains consistent across all elements without interfering. An important tip to remember here is adjusting the opacity of your overlay if necessary. Sometimes, the snow effect might be too bold, overpowering the original design. By tweaking the opacity settings, you can ensure a subtle but noticeable overlay that enhances rather than detracts from your design. This trick allows you to maintain a balance, creating a natural and appealing snowy ambiance. Also, consider the blend modes available within Adobe Express. These modes can dramatically alter how your snow overlay interacts with other elements in your project. Experimenting with different blend modes can help achieve a more integrated look, making the snowfall appear more realistic within your design context. With all these steps completed, take a moment to preview your project. Ensure everything looks harmonious and that the snow effect flows naturally with the rest of your creative work. If everything looks good, you're ready to save or share your wintry masterpiece. There you have it, a complete guide on how to bring the magic of snow into your Adobe Express projects. Whether you're updating your social media visuals or crafting a cozy holiday greeting, this technique will surely add that extra sparkle. Happy designing, and enjoy the winter wonderland you've just created.